Today I am going to start the first chapter of geography, the Earth in the solar system. This is the remaining part of first chapter of geography. The next we are going to start is about Earth. The Earth is the third nearest planet to the Sun and the fifth largest planet of our solar system. As you know, the first largest planet is Jupiter and the position of Earth is fifth. Its shape is geoid. Geoid means it is not perfectly spherical. Spherical means round. The shape of the Earth is not round, it is flattened at the poles. Pole means North Pole and South Pole. It is the only planet that can support life. The life only exists on the Earth. There are 8 planets. Among 8 planets, only Earth has life. It has life because of its temperature, which is neither very hot nor very cold, and resources. Some resources are water and oxygen, which is essential for the survival of life. So it is a unique planet in our solar system. Why Earth is a unique planet in our solar system? Because it has life supporting system like temperature, water, oxygen, etc. The Earth appears blue from space. When scientists gone into the space, when they look on the Earth, they saw its color is blue and it is known as blue planet. Why it is known as blue planet? Because of the presence of water on the surface of the Earth. Our next part is about Moon. We all know it is a satellite. Satellite means a celestial body which moves around a planet. It is the only satellite of our Earth. Its diameter is 1/4 of the Earth. It is about 3,84,400 kilometers away from us, means away from the Earth. It moves around the Earth in about 27 days. So we see only one side of the Moon because its rotation means the rotation of the Earth, of the Moon, and the revolution of the Moon is same period, that is 27 days. So we only see one side of the Moon. There is no life exists on the Moon because it has neither water nor air, which is essential for the existence and survival of life. Next is asteroids. They are numerous, means many, great in number, tiny bodies which move around the Sun. It is found between the orbits of the Mars and the Jupiter. The largest asteroid is the Ceres in Hindi and Cyrus in English. Now, meteorites. The small pieces of rocks or metal which move around the Sun are called meteorites. They are smaller than asteroids. What is meteorites? A small rocky object burning up in Earth's atmosphere is called shooting star. Means when meteorites enter in the atmosphere of Earth, it burns out, and when it burns out, it is known as shooting star. Galaxy. A galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars, clouds of dust and gases. Means galaxy is made up of billions of stars, clouds of dust and many gases. Our solar system is a part of Milky Way galaxy. In India, we call it Akash Ganga. There are millions of galaxies that make the universe. Now, what is universe? The universe is the whole of the space and all the stars, planets and other forms of matter and energy is found in it. So we can say the universe is where everyone and everything exists, means found. So here I am going to end the chapter 1 of geography. Tomorrow I'll send you